Oh, that was me.
You're gonna probably have to jump on that box. Yeah, it was just jumping. Run and jump it. Hope for the best. There you go.
How are you doing this, Christian? This is bullshit.
I try to do Christian. Dude.
That's funny thing.
You gotta run the whole thing. And,
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm not that great. But...
There you go. No, stop your. Well, just keep going for it.
Go! Go! You got this! You got this! You got this!
No, you don't got it.
You
You
got
have to probably jump on the other side. But try not to hit that barbed wire or so.
Oh, you were so close.
Oh, you're gonna have my first win.
I would have the first one. Yep.
They give me some points. Does that count?
You got a trap kill.
Man, Christian's a baller in this game. Man. We gotta watch out for that. He played this game on the sideline. You know, he just
Play this game on the sideline.
He on the sideline.
okay, you played the. You
Go to the metal plant.
Go to the metal plant?
Go to the metal plant.
Metal plant.
Go all the way to the top.
Man, this game is hard.
Because we unlock more characters or character outfits or new levels.
Sorry, guys. I cannot get out of there.
Take your time.
Where am I?
Stop tap. You gotta time it.
I'll be the scroll.
Remember how we played Towerfall? Yeah, that's why I'm so
Oh,
I suck at Towerfall jumping up.
Oh, you turned into raccoon?
I turned to raccoon.
Grab your teeth. Grab your teeth.
Later.
Grab your teeth.
Where are they going? Are they going to do?
Alright.
Okay, whoa.
So somebody can get that question box, please. That would be helpful.
Where are they?
And I think the next one might be the last one. We'll go into creative mode.
This stuff moves. Oh no, that's me.
Yep, it moves. And it's got sticky stuff on it.
Excuse me, now, people.
Good job,
What?
squirrel. Good job. No, good. Nah, that's not good.
Wow, nice job.
Oh no. Where's the
You
squirrel?
guys can do it. I believe in all you. Chicken's just scared. Where's Christian? What are you doing? Go. You got it.
Is the honey slippery or sticky?
Sticky.
Oh no!
Oops.
Oops. You got this. You got this. We know.
Chicken, man! Oh no! We don't do this stuff.
You got it. Oh, I guess not.
What else, man?
Go. There's your chance.
No, it isn't.
Here's your chance. You can jump on there. There you go. Almost.
Keep it going. Oh,
No,
you're so good.
I'm not holding B to give up. I'm a
You
chicken.
like
I
that regular or
You're a
extra
chicken,
crispy?
yes.
I know exactly what we need. What I need.
Don't forget about that box. The trampoline, though.
What I got? That fingity thing? Okay. That's this. Yeah. Don't you? No! You jerk! No!
Muhammad.
Where did I die? Where did I die?
You just walked right
walked
off.
off.
That's what you get.
That's karma right there. Let me look down on you. Yeah, what's up, man? Okay, I got this. Hold on, I got this. Again. There's no possible way to get there. This is the hardest one. That's good. What?
It's kind of tricky. Once I get up there, it's like I keep moving.
Yeah, you moving too. If you move too much, you fall right off. Oh yeah, and you can blow up the goop that's on the machines.
Oh, that's suicide.
What? Me?
Are you the raccoon?
I'm the raccoon.
Oh, okay.
You could move it, or you can rotate it. Yeah.
Don't you dare. You are. I can't.
How will we even win this? I don't know.
It's possible.
It
Still
is?
possible. Yep. Look at Jamil, pro MLG.
What did he do?
You
Oh.
Yeah, Jamil.
What is that thing?
Oh yeah.
Seriously?
He's still alive though. Look.
Yeah, it's still alive.
I got it.
Oh, no.
I clicked on it. I don't know what I did.
There you go.
Okay. Alright.
The raccoon is just. Wait, oh, he's dead.
So how do you get there, Jamil?
He just rolled.
He just
Wait, there's no such thing as just
Oh,
went
yeah,
up there.
Iceberg.
I'll just keep
Yeah.
You just cruising along.
I know
We
it.
actually need to make another video so we can all three.
Bravo for defeating my trap.
Next week, maybe? Or not, well, this coming week?
he said today.
Today. Well, Chris got to be on his desktop, though.
Nice.
I need to concentrate.
got a controller and stuff.
Two, one.
I'm going out that thing.
Oh, yeah, because you don't need the mouse anymore.
What does that do? You think I'll put that here?
Go through the teleporter.
You're a dick. I shall try it again though.
He went through the teleporter.
Wow.
So I gotta go through it again. Maybe it was something different.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Something different will happen.
Ooh. Kill him.
Somebody kill him.
Damn it.
Kill him.
Oh, man.
Haha, where would that teleporter take you?
Dang. Give me an MLG no scope.
Just take me.
How did Jamil get up there? What in the world? This dude's like Spider-Man.
Spider squirrel. Wait, who's alive? Oh,
Well, that's an easy.
well, he's just gonna ride it all the way up
I
there.
need to put something
Ride it
up
to victory. Might as well.
I'm gonna put something up there so y'all.
Right.
Just in case.
I thought he was
Just in
part of
case.
the background.
I know if I can't get on the mix, they don't get that.
See me.
That's what evil like that. Alright. What we got? Oh, they didn't give us nothing. I got it. I'm strategizing in my head, y'all.
Strategy isn't working well.
No.
Wow, somebody was a big dick.
Who could that be?
Yes, that was Muhammad.
Wait, what do you get rid of?
You got rid of the teleporter, the other teleporter.
The one that I just put it in?
No, not teleporter. That was the big yarn.
Oh,
good.
Somebody else did it. Somebody else did the teleporter.
I guess that was Christian.
How did they? Oh, it's so smooth.
Right?
Well, all you gotta do is ride it up there.
Man, ain't no such thing as all you. Wow, that's an easy one.
Oh my
Look at him strategizing. He's like, yeah, I got this. Easy one.
Bye!
Just stop jumping, man. Just stop jumping.
The heart attack is real.
Go, Jamil, go. Oh, you want to get the coins? You are not smart.
Man, Jamil was about to die off of greed.
I've agreed, yes.
Those coins mean everything, man.
Go be to give up, Jamil. Just give up, you're not gonna make it.
All the words and losing now. Update here, ESPN.
Nobody cares.
Darn it. Man.
Update, ESPN, NBA. Who scored a touchdown?
Touchdown.
Like, you are.
Okay, so Christian won 2, Jamil won.
Okay.
We have to step it
Jamil,
up.
can you push creative mode? Who's the chameleon?
Me.
Okay. So, yeah, this one's a little bit different. You guys can choose your items on your own.
You can choose
You just gotta push Y to open up the inventory. And there's a second page to it too. Right bumper. Or push the arrow.
Yes!
Yeah,
Circle
buddy.
of death.
What's the circle of death?
Yeah, the slices.
Oh.